Okay. Hey y'all, welcome to another Walila vlog. We are currently on our way to the Gwinnett Environmental and Heritage Center. The kids are ahead of me because I had to stop to get wipes, but we heard this is a really cool place for kids and it's free, so we're like, let's try something new. So let's go catch up with these little ones. Yeah.
Look, Mommy.
Yeah, isn't this cool? You see their canoe?
Let's go this way.
Izzy. Little turtles. Aww. Izzy, you need to come up so you can see.
The other turtle. There's the other turtle right there. There's the other turtle.
Yeah, you see the turtles, Izzy?
Mommy, look it.
It's swimming. I know. Wow. Whoa. Look, guys.
Mommy, can you put this side here?
Sunny day, rainy day.
Mommy.
Does it fall by itself?
I think so. I don't know when. But I guess the raindrops accumulate and then they eventually fall down, but I don't know.
At a time, okay? You look up the tube.
I don't know. Go ahead, put it in the tube. It says you never know when it'll fall, so I'm like, okay.
Yeah,
Izzy, what are you doing? You're having so much fun? Can you get out? Can you get out? You got it? Yeah, you did it, mama. Oh, it rained. Izzy jumps back in. Okay, so after like the 100th ball, it'll fall. Yeah, that's a little too much. love this. There's something about flowing water that's so relaxing. There's a bunch of ants. Look.
Oh my gosh. Is that the running ant?
A running ant? Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
All ants run, Kari, I guess. Yeah, there's lots of them, but they're playing with each other. It's okay. Ooh. Look at these plants. Look at, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come, Izara. Come back here, because I don't know what that is. But anyway.
What is?
What are those, bro?
Those are spiders.
Those are spiders?
No, wait.
What
Those
is
look like
that?
Smaller grasshoppers.
And look at the green frog.
Where?
Right there. He's so tiny and cute.
Wait.
Well, don't go near those things. I don't know what that is.
Those are grasshoppers.
Those are grasshoppers, Elias?
Yeah.
That is not a grasshopper. That is not
they
a
are.
grasshopper.
They just look a little bit.
No, that's crazy. Guys, that's a big one. That is a big frog.
Is the frog can't talk?
No, frogs can't talk. I feel like frogs got mad attitude. Look at his face. Or her face. Or its face. I don't know. This is so cool. Wait, where am I? Where's the frog at? Oh. Wait, I lost the frog. Lord have mercy. Where is the frog at? Nope, that's the other rock. Oh, here we go. Hey guys, what's up? It is definitely like the whole next day. It's like 2:30 right now, and I kind of just woke up from a nap, a little one. The kids are still napping. We're actually headed to a splash pad at one of our favorite parks that we have never gone to this whole time, and I don't know why it took us almost 3 years to go, but I'm about to get these kids ready, get their water bottles filled, and I'm gonna wake up Izzy first because she fell asleep first, and then I'm gonna do Kari, and then we're gonna head to the splash pad. Elias is at his mom's. So I asked my mom if she wanted to come hang out with the kids, so I figured it'll be fun. It's gonna be piping hot this week, guys. I don't know, I'm pretty sure everyone is feeling this all around the country right now, or this part of the continent. So y'all, make sure you have water. It's okay if you don't go outside. You don't have to see people. So the only reason why we're going is because of the water, and I wanted to do something a little bit different with the kiddos, because going to the playground, we do that all the time, but I wanted to be a little more fun. That's all. Anyway, let me hurry up and go. You guys excited? Yeah? You can't wait to see Coco? Izzy, you excited? Yeah? Okay. Look at you two, water babies. Hey, you're water babies. You want to go underneath it? Go ahead. Yay! Woo! Izzy, you want to try? Go! It's raining. Yeah. You're cleaning the stuff? Some of the stuff has the sand from Florida. Remember Florida? When we went to Florida, Kari? Yeah. You're gonna go rinse it? Go rinse it. Hi, Izzy Mama. You're gonna go back? Okay, bye. He's so cute and he's getting so big. Dude, what are you complaining about? What are you complaining about?
I'm watching Cars, but Eddie's still watching Cars. Eddie's still watching Mickey Mouse.
All right, we're gonna count. We're gonna count to 10 in Spanish. Ready? Say uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. All right, thumbs up. Let me see your thumbs up. Yeah. All right, what are you talking about now?
I want to watch Cars, and Eddie's still watching Mickey